Alright, so for this video, we're going to go over studying quiz tools, and for me, there's really only one option, and that is Quizlet. I'll use a little example. I use Quizlets for pretty much every exam I still have today. It's just the best tool, I think. You can make your own flashcards, you can write out the definitions for everything. So here's just a little demo. Definition of law of demand. Goes over a couple, just a quick couple, 5 shifts of both supply and demand. You can just quiz yourself pretty easily. It's really helpful, really nice, pretty easy to make. You just press create and you do a study set and you just type in the definitions. Then you can do test, learn, write, write. I like write a lot. Um, this would be like if you get it wrong, it shows you what to say and you have to type it in correctly to move on to the next. So it's just a really good study tool. I'll recommend it to all my students. Really helpful, but pretty simple, pretty basic.